The top 5 best outdoor gas grill recommendation. Let's get started. Recommendation number 1. Weber Spirit 2E310 Gas Grill. Weber Spirit Series Gas Grill offers unrivaled performance, a luxe-looking but durable exterior, and an easy assembly for a fair price. It has 3 stainless steel burners for a total output of 30,000 BTUs per hour, and it evenly cooks food with very little flare-up. Its compact size accommodates most patios and balconies, and it provides 424 square inches of cooking space and an additional 105 square inch warming rack. That's plenty of room for more than a dozen hamburgers or a large brisket. Its 3-burner design allows for individual heat settings, which let you roast different kinds of meats and veggies simultaneously. The Spirit's cast iron cooking grates are reversible, easy to keep clean. Recommendation number 2. Dynaglow DGB 495 SDPD Gas Grill. For the griller on a budget, we recommend this entry-level option from Dynaglow. It may not offer as impressive of a performance as more expensive models, but it's a no-frills gas grill that comes at a great value. You'll get 461 square inches of space to grill your meats or veggies, a side shelf to plate your meals or rest your tools, and a side burner that's perfect for sautéing onions. It's equipped with 4 burners, plus porcelain-coated cast iron grates that are rust-resistant and easy to clean. We're big fans of the grill's electronic ignition and sleek stainless steel finish, 2 features that are difficult to find at this price point. There's even a temperature gauge mounted to the grill's lid, so you know when it's preheated. Recommendation number 3. Weber Summit S670 LP Gas Grill. For those in search of a powerhouse gas grill without dropping over $3,000, we recommend the Weber Summit S670. Like the aforementioned Napoleon Prestige, this model features lighted control knobs, plus a rotisserie and smoker function. This model is a step up from Weber's Genesis series in terms of overall construction and performance. It's equipped with 6 stainless steel burners, provides a 60,800 BTUs per hour input, and offers 769 square inches of total cooking space. For added versatility, the grill supplies a 12,000 BTUs side burner, a 10,600 BTUs sear station burner, a 6,800 smoker burner. Recommendation number 4. Blackstone 1554 Flat Top Gas Grill. Flat top gas grills help preserve juices when cooking meat, and they serve as the ultimate tool for making brunch. This flat top grill from Blackstone has a removable 36-inch flat top griddle, so it can cook anything from veggies and hash browns to eggs and pancakes. Or you can use it for making hamburgers, chicken, and steak. 4 independently controlled 15,000 BTUs stainless steel burners allow you to cook different types of food simultaneously. The grill also has 2 convenient side shelves, which can be removed for easier transport, an integrated grease management system, and roller wheels. Recommendation number 5. Cuisinart CGG 180T Petit Gourmet Portable Tabletop Gas Grill. Perfect for even the smallest entertaining areas, this Cuisinart portable gas grill offers 145 square inches of grilling space, which is enough to fit up to 8 burgers on it at a time. It's equipped with a 5,500 BTUs stainless steel burner and an even heating porcelain enameled grate. This grill is small enough to use on any tabletop or deck, and its legs fold down, so you can carry and store it like a suitcase after it cools off. It also comes in red, black, and stainless steel. Portable gas grill with 145 square inch grilling area and fold-away legs. Cooks 8 burgers, 8 steaks, 6 to 10 chicken breasts, or 4 pounds of fish.